Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from collegedunia.com. Today we are having with us Dr. Uday Kumar VK sir. He is the principal at Sri Dhanvantri College of Engineering and Technology. Hello sir, welcome to Education Portal College Dunia. Hello sir. Hello.
Thank you for inviting for the interview.
So sir, starting with the questionnaire session, my first question to you is, you have held a key position at education issues throughout your professional career. So sir, what are the key factors that keep you connected with education sector?
Okay. Right. My passions are learning, teaching, and research. After my graduation in 1984, I have been associated with the education sector. As an educator, I don't just teach students, myself as well as our students keep upskilling and learn the current trends. With this motto, I have completed my PG as well as my research, that is PhD. And my key factors in connecting with the education sector is information literacy, application of talents, exchange of experience between teachers, and most important is the cancellation of a system of monitoring and a high learning productivity. So this is how.
Very nicely explained, sir. So, sir, coming to the next question, being the principal of your college, what are your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Philosophy of the leadership.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And okay, right. Now, I believe in autocratic leadership philosophy. I am best suited to make decisions and lead the institute. I provide my learn with instruction and action to meet the needs of the institute. I motivate my staff to enhance their knowledge and skills to upgrade the students in existing digital scenario. I nurture the strengths and talents of my staff and build teams to achieve common goals. Uh, okay.
Very well said, sir. So, on that note, my next question to you is, being the principal of your college, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing of your institute?
The main our marketing and administration starts from my students. My students are the persons to market and administrate our college. Okay. In addition to this, in existing digital world, we are also using media like Facebook, Instagram, TV, radio, then other media for marketing. My objective is to establish strong industry connect programs to provide suggestions for process improvement as well as curricular improvement. Right. Okay.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, coming to the next question, the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. So, in your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your institute?
Uh, in India and foreign countries.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. For this, I have visited and observed many institute and universities in other countries. For example, I have visited Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand, etc. for my international conference and paper presentation. And there I have visited also the university and their education system. And I can say that our student has a better research skills, and I motivate our staff and students to innovate from minor or mini to micro to major project, as well as on the other system. So this is how from the other countries, our student skills are more. They are starting their curriculum with the very basic things, and we our students are they are into up level knowledge than there.
Very nicely explained, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, coming to the curriculum part, how does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice of industry?
Okay, with the best
Industry.
practice of industry.
Yes.
Okay. In today's educational system, the preparation of the participation, not preparation, the participation of industry in curriculum design and delivery at institutions and universities is very much essential to prepare the students for employment. Okay, we have more than 20 MOUs with industries in different fields of all departments. So, in the department of civil, mechanical, electrical, and computer science, and in chemical. So, we have more than 20 MOUs. This will bridge the gap between the industry and institution, and will enable the students to become industry ready. And we provide a special training. We provide a special training through train the trainers workshops to the student as well as to the staff members. In that, paper enabling programs, faculty development programs, sabbaticals, technical events, and soft skills. Then for the students, certification exams for placements and conclaves. And our curriculum is blend of the academic theory and industry practice. So this is how we are included, or we are in the practice of industry institute interaction. Right.
Very well said, sir. So, coming to the next question, what do you think should be the institute top priority over the next 10 years?
Okay. Right. To form a most the main for the next 10 years is I think I have to form a topmost Dhanvantri University in South Gujarat with latest courses, which includes the I will select the courses as well as the system which will be better for in and around the industries, and the curriculum I will make in such a way that it will help the in and around of our Surat area. And main motto is I want to develop the Dhanvantri University, wherein I will have my curriculum in that, wherein we can have the industries are more involved in developing the curriculum.
So, sir, coming to the next question, what would you like people to know about your institute that they may not know?
What is that?
What would you like to people know about your institute that they may not know, sir?
Okay. They should know about main thing, the green campus for our student. We have got an award for a green campus. Then we have the updated facilities. Then frequent mentoring is there here. Technical environment to upskill their practical knowledge at par with the industries. And it is a great place to work, best in environment, and we have world-class full-time and visiting faculties are there. So this is how main I can think is the environment is a very green, even in the system as well as in the process. Okay.
So, sir, jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth or the aspiring students, sir? Any suggestion?
Okay, suggestions, right. For the current,
Yes.
okay. As far as students are concerned, a change in mindset is required. Skill for the mindset in the system of skill, they have to quickly adopt, reskill rather than the upskilling the system and face the challenges. In current trends, student must learn fast to adapt to the changes imposed on us, as you know that by COVID or any future shock events. So the student must learn to grasp fast. Right. That is what.
Very well said,
I
sir.
see.
So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your college, sir. Thank you so much for being part of College Dunia, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.